Section 7.1, Estimating a Population Proportion. Key concept. This section presents methods for using a sample proportion to make an inference about the value of the corresponding population proportion. Here are the three main concepts included in this section. The point estimate. This is the sample proportion, which we also call p hat, is the best point estimate of the population proportion p. Confidence interval. We can use a sample proportion to construct a confidence interval estimate of the true value of a population proportion. Sample size. We should know how to find the sample size necessary to estimate a population proportion. Here's the notation. X represents the number of successes. N represents the sample. Capital N represents the population size. P hat, which denotes the sample proportion, is the same thing as X over N. And then the proportion P denotes the population proportion, which is X over capital N. Now, a point estimate is a single value used to estimate a population parameters. The sample proportion p hat is the best point estimate of the population proportion p. Now, we use the point estimate, or p hat, as the point estimate of p because it is unbiased, and it is the most consistent of the estimators that could be used. Now, an unbiased estimator is a statistic that targets the value of the corresponding population parameter in the sense that the sampling distribution of the statistic has a mean that is equal to the corresponding population parameter. Now, the statistic, the point estimate, or p hat, targets the population proportion p.